Have you ever tried to deserialize JSON and hit a wall? It can be really frustrating when things don't work as expected. If you're facing issues with custom deserialization using JSON, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this mystery together. I totally get it. You write your code, you think everything is set, and then, bam, the deserializer just doesn't work. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers have faced similar challenges when working with JSON. Let's dive into the specific issue at hand. One user recently asked, "Why isn't my custom deserializer being called when deserializing JSON with JSON?" They provided a code snippet and some JSON, and it seems like the custom deserializer is just being ignored. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be going wrong? When using JSON, if your custom deserializer isn't being invoked, it could be due to a few common pitfalls. We'll break down the possible reasons and how to fix them. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a crucial tip that will help you avoid these deserialization headaches in the future. To resolve the issue with the custom deserializer, the user should first ensure that the custom deserializer class is correctly referenced in the myClass definition. The user should check for any typos in the class name. Next, the user should confirm that the custom deserializer is properly implemented. This means ensuring that the deserialize method is correctly processing the JSON input and returning an instance of special property. Additionally, the user should verify that the JSON structure matches the expected format. The keys in the JSON must match the property names in the special property class. Finally, the user should check for any exceptions or errors during deserialization. This can be done by wrapping the read value call in a try-catch block to capture any issues. Fun fact, did you know that the name Jackson comes from the famous American President Andrew Jackson? Just like him, this library aims to simplify things, but sometimes it can be a bit tricky. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that the @JSON Deserialize annotation can be placed on a field, a setter, or a class. In your case, since you're using a constructor to set the special property field, the annotation is ignored. They recommend moving the annotation to the class level instead. Alternatively, you can register the deserializer directly with the object mapper. This involves making the special property and its deserializer non-private and adding the deserializer to a simple module. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your annotations and class accessibility. A small oversight can lead to big headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, your custom deserializer should be working perfectly. Remember, attention to detail is key in programming. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.